Retire like a genius.
How to become a Social Security genius. Almost everyone has heard of Social Security, but most people really don't think very much about or understand how this program works. Navigating retirement income, healthcare, and long-term care in the United States can be very complex. The more a person can understand about critical entitlement programs, the more likely they are to build and live a well-balanced retirement and retire like a genius. Social Security provides a monthly benefit to almost 70 million people who can qualify to start collecting at the age of 62. The amount of the monthly benefit will vary based on how much a person earned while they worked and at what age between 62 and 70 they elect to start collecting. Here are some myths and facts about Social Security. Myth: people should start collecting their Social Security benefits at age 62. Fact: although people can start collecting their benefit at 62, it will be at the lowest age-based level. So it's advisable to wait as long as possible up to age 70 to lock in the highest monthly benefit that they have earned. Myth: people can retire on their Social Security benefit alone. Fact: the national average monthly benefit is around $1,600, which would place someone below the poverty level if they relied on this income alone. Myth: Social Security benefits are received tax-free. Fact: if a person is generating an annual income while collecting Social Security above the allowable maximum, they'll begin to owe taxes on between 50% and 85% of their benefit, which will be automatically deducted. Myth: people paid into Social Security and their money is in a retirement account waiting for them. Fact: Social Security is funded by payroll taxes, with about 2/3 going to pay current benefits and 1/3 going into reserves for the future. Understanding how entitlement programs work is critical to make sure mistakes are not made that can delay or jeopardize enrollment and access to benefits that a person is entitled to receive. Social Security plays a critical role in a person's retirement, but the more people understand about the program, the more they'll get out of it and help themselves retire like a genius.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.